Bayside Marketplace is a prominent waterfront retail and entertainment complex located in the heart of downtown Miami, Florida. Nestled along the shores of Biscayne Bay, it occupies a prime location at Biscayne Boulevard, making it easily accessible from various parts of the city. Its central position makes it a popular destination for locals and tourists. There are several ways to reach Bayside Marketplace. Visitors can drive and find parking in the adjacent parking garages or utilize rideshare services. Public transportation options like the Metro Mover and Metro Bus also connect to Bayside, providing convenient access for those using public transit. Additionally, for those arriving by boat, there are docking facilities available for private vessels. Bayside Marketplace boasts a vibrant and bustling atmosphere that mirrors the energy of Miami itself. Its architecture is a blend of modern and tropical elements, with open-air pathways, palm trees, and colorful storefronts contributing to its inviting ambience. Bayside features a diverse array of shops, boutiques, and specialty stores catering to different tastes. Visitors can find everything from fashion and accessories to souvenirs, art, and home goods. The complex is a culinary haven, with a wide range of dining options available. From casual eateries to upscale restaurants, the marketplace offers a variety of cuisines, including seafood, American, Latin American, and international fare. Live music and performances are integral to the Bayside experience. The open-air stages host local musicians, bands, and even cultural events, infusing the atmosphere with a lively spirit. Bayside Marketplace serves as a launching point for boat tours and cruises around Biscayne Bay and beyond. Visitors can embark on sightseeing tours, party cruises, and even water taxis to explore the city's waterfront from a unique perspective. Bayside Marketplace is a dynamic and inviting destination that encapsulates the essence of Miami's coastal lifestyle. Its central location, diverse offerings, and stunning waterfront views make it a must-visit place for shopping, dining, entertainment, and soaking in the vibrant atmosphere that defines this iconic city.